All right, arraignment planner time. Okay, so as you guys can see here are some screenshots of a file that's out there in Classroom called Arraignment Planner. All right, so here is your version out in Classroom. You're going to be filling this out. Now, please note that there are actually 5 columns here, but we're going to focus in on these first 3. Okay, possible charges for Freeman and evidence supporting and sources of evidence. We're going to get to defenses later. Okay. So going back here, what we need to have you guys do is go ahead and start filling in which of the evidence that you've been looking at aligns with proving each of these charges. And so on these 2 slides, I've put in there in these clouds the elements of each one. Okay. And that way you guys can refer if you want to. And you'll be going and you're going to be putting in the evidence. Now, the example I gave you here was Freeman and Parker spoke on the phone to each other, planning what to do with JS. JS, of course, is Jamie Solomon. Okay. The source of evidence I have here is the telephone records from Freeman and Parker. Okay. So wherever you can find, or there's sometimes you'll find the same piece of evidence in multiple sources. It's always good to put down where all you find it. But the whole point in this is that you start connecting the charges to your evidence, because that's essentially how you convict someone. So if you have any questions, please ask your instructor. And at the end, just make sure you submit this arraignment planner. They're going to give you feedback. But I'm also going to put out there next week something for you to compare yours to mine. So that way you can make any changes if you want to. You can update stuff. But you definitely need to turn in one before I give that to you. All right. Have a good one.